In today's recap, getting started over on the S&P this morning, staying above 6,006, looking for movements up to 52.25. Couldn't break that price, set up for movements right back to the big macro price again. Started out this morning in the macro 10 off the midpoint, had that early morning news. Came back down right at opening. Some short opportunities, test the top of the channel before stalling out, setting up a nice reversal back long with enough strength to push into that next channel again, but couldn't break that midpoint, straddled it, setting up for a good reversal. Stayed in that range for a little bit before truly breaking below, holding back, retesting with the lower high, moving all the way back to the top of the original channel, correcting that news announcement, and then moved up again before making a strong move all the way back down to the bottom of the channel below the original macro 10 before pulling back a little bit. That was that bouncing off that big macro price. Over on the NQ this morning, staying above 849, looking for 86. Couldn't break above, came all the way back to the big macro price, 849. Started out in that macro 10 this morning, that early morning news announcement, right at opening though. Set up for a quick short, all the way to the bottom of the channel. Didn't have any strength to push back below the key price level today, setting up for a good reversal in that bottom of the next channel. Longs all the way to the top. No strength. Did have some another long opportunity. Was short-lived, setting up pretty good strong reversal. Came back and retested, moving all the way back down to the key price level before setting up a good long again. And then that strength after holding up at that big macro price, moving all the way down to 849, falling into a little consolidation. 35 3/4 on my trade today. Over on crude oil this morning, big macro view, 65.49, staying above there, looking for 66.70, and with strength all the way to 67.90. Start out in that macro 10 this morning. We're after the opening volatile move, set up for a good long off the midpoint. Those waves coming up the top of the channel, not enough strength yet. Set up for some short opportunities, but couldn't reach all the way to the bottom of the channel. Setting up for a little reversal, higher low, with enough strike to break out. Made an attempt all the way up to the midpoint of the next channel before really stalling out, setting up a little head and shoulders back short. Movements all the way back almost towards the key price level before reversing again through that midpoint, breaking out with the strength this time, but did set up some other long and short opportunities for having that upside strength, breaking above that 70, moving all the way back up to the big macro next price level.